This is the first race na late ako. I thought I was running a 10K at 4:40, but I came to realize na sa parking ako na 21K pala yung tatakbuhin natin today. So ano na naman, mga 2 minutes tayo late. No stretch, no warm up. Ito na yun. Kaya we're starting really slow. Let's get it, baby. Ito pala feeling ng ano, mag-isa ka sa kalsada, para bang ikaw yung nagpa-fun run pero mag-isa ka lang. Unti-unti nang nakabungkag yung starting line. Naabutan na natin yung mga nag-start kanina. Let's go. Pasok na tayo sa boulevard. Ito yung boulevard ng Cagayan de Oro, Soloista. Oops, parang mali. Ito pala sa kabila. 2 down, 19 more to go. Banda-banda. Kilometers. First hydration. First gel natin. Nutrition. Yeah. Chill lang tayo. Let's go! Teammates ko yun ulit, hindi sila late.
Run 2025.
Let's go, coach. Oh, diba? Nakahabol tayo sa mga people of the Philippines. Let's go, coach.
Yeah.
Uniform.
All right.
Ay, Alpha Fly, ay. Flagman. Let's go, Flagman.
Let's go. 51. No, 15K more.
5.9 kilometers in. Let's go, baby. Assist Flagman. Ayun. Let's go, Flagman.
Let's go.
Ito na yan. Ito yung ano, yung first place. Let's go! Yan ang privilege ng mga first place. May escort. Let's go, baby!
Go.
Let's go, boss! Lakas! Walang pawis, puta! Let's go, baby!
This is Freedom Run
Freedom, baby, freedom!
2025.
Let's go, coach!
Let's go.
Baby! Pa-sunrise na, guys. Uy. Heart rate 144. Nasa zone 2 lang tayo. Very good. Coach Jigs!
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's pace this. 7. Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go, baby, let's go. 10 kilometer, 9.8 gummies. Let's go.
Let's go.
We're not racing today. We're simply enjoying freedom. 6:45, 7:30. Yan lang. Sure lang. Sa SNR na tayo. Ano ko nakikita? Bye-bye. 12 kilometers in. May araw na, guys. Pero we are 1 hour and 25 minutes in the race. Enjoy lang. Yan yung mga 10k yung nag-i-enjoy lang tayo dito. Let's go, brother! Aamday po ka, 10k? Nice, go, go, go! Ito na, Paswagan Crossing. Let's go, baby! 12.6 kilometers in, baby. Konti na lang. Chill lang, actually, chill lang. Hoy! Run! Run, let's go! This is Cagayan de Oro Freedom Run 2025. Ito, mga ganyan, ina-enjoy yan parts. Masyado ka nagmamadali. Second trail. Oy! What's up? Dami to, ano ba to? Thank you nga pala sa aid station Cagayan de Oro for sending these goodies. Very reliable. Nag-deliver, doon kausap, nag-entertain. What's up? Ayan, so fuel up, lalo na pag long run. Huwag ka magbida-bida para hindi ka last pag at the end. Let's go, baby. Up, I think this is Marcos Bridge yata, hindi ako sure. Basta bridge. Alala ko nung Milo 10k tinakbo ko dito, naglalakad na tayo. At ayun o, so let's keep on going. You will get somewhere. Yun lang pala yun, tapos na. Morning! Let's go, baby! Sunrise! Masarap eh, mabuta may sunrise. Okay, Sano, we're almost there. Kung saan tayo nagsimula. Tapos diretso pa tayo. 14 kilometers in, konti na lang. Water station, baby. Water. Limcat Kai. Ito yung MUST. Let's go. 1:44 minutes in. Go, baby. Ito na naman sila. Let's go, Kirkiness. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Last 5 kilometers. We are 16 and 1 hour and 56 minutes in the run. Let's go, baby. Saan na tayo? Saan na tabay? CUMC. Malapit na sa U-turn. 4 more kilometers. Final U-turn. Last 3k. 18.3 kilometers. Lapit na. Let's save for the moment, baby. Hey, let's go! 20 kilometers in. Last 1 kilometer. Sobrang easy lang ng pace talaga natin. 6:50. Now time natin 2:24. Enjoying it, baby. Let's go. 200 meters. Let's go. Here, baby. 2 hours 36. Huh? Kasi late nga pala tayo. Let's go, baby. Hey! Let's get it done. pawis, hindi tayo nasmag. Just had fun. Hindi importante. This is Max. And always remember, in anything and in everything that you do, always do it to the max. Let's go.